Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Sony headset to an Xbox. Many gamers wonder if their favorite Sony audio gear can work with their Xbox console, and the good news is, often it can. We will explore the most common and effective ways to get your headset up and running, ensuring you enjoy clear game audio and chat. We'll cover both direct wired connections and how to best utilize wireless models. The most straightforward way to connect many Sony headsets is through a wired connection to your Xbox controller. Simply take the 3.5mm audio cable from your headset and plug it directly into the corresponding jack located at the bottom of your Xbox controller. Once connected, you can easily manage your headset's volume and microphone settings by pressing the Xbox button on your controller and navigating to the audio options in the guide menu. This method provides reliable sound and chat. Many Sony headsets are primarily designed for PlayStation or PC wireless connectivity. It is important to note that direct wireless pairing with an Xbox console is typically not supported due to differing wireless technologies. However, if your wireless Sony headset includes a 3.5mm audio jack, you can still use it. Just connect it to your Xbox controller with the audio cable, just like a standard wired headset. This allows you to enjoy your headset's sound quality for gaming. To ensure the best audio experience, always check your Xbox audio settings. Navigate to the volume and audio output menu and confirm your headset format is set to stereo uncompressed for optimal sound. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your 3.5mm cable is securely plugged into both your headset and the controller. Also, regularly update your Xbox controller's firmware, as this can resolve many connectivity and audio problems, providing a smoother gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.